What is up, my fellow yarn bombers? My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. And for those of you who are new to the channel or viewing my videos for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And if you are a returning viewer or one of my loyal subscribers, welcome back and thank you for your patronage. So I thought today I would update y'all on my knitting journey because in my first video, I believe that I'm trying to remember what I did, but I know it was, oh yeah, I think I was trying to show how I cast it on, and then I got a couple comments about my method of casting on, so I thought I would update y'all, and I think I finally mastered utilizing the long tail or slingshot method. So for the past couple of days, I've been trying to master the slingshot cast on method, and this morning I think I got it down because I was able to cast on quite quickly versus the other couple days I tried it. So I guess what they say is true, that practice makes perfect, and you just gotta develop that muscle memory to effectively cast on properly. So there's that. And then as you may have as you know, that I am going to tackle the Ross hat tutorial knitting project, and again I practiced casting on in the round, and I actually succeeded in joining the round. So I'm actually on my second round now. So I don't know if you can see my stitch marker right there. I got those little plastic stitch marker, but I'm actually on the second round of the brim now. So, and the yarn I'm using that for this project, this is more of a practice project until I actually get the actual yarn I want to use. And I also have to mention something about the length of the yarn, the circular needle, because I messed up somewhere. But first, let me showcase the yarn. So the yarn I'm using is Hobby Lobby's. I love this chunky yarn, and the colorway is the cinnamon cedar. And I like this because it has a bunch of different color, like rainbow effects. Got some green, got some greens, got some green in there, a little bit of blue, got some red, orange, yellow. It's tiniest bit of purple in there. So, and then this is the second round. I think it's going to turn out quite nice. So I can't wait for the brim to be completed so that I can update y'all on that too. So I thought I would showcase that. And then about the needles themselves, these were from that kit I showed yesterday on my knitting haul. So basically, I kind of messed up on the measurements because in Ross's video and in the pattern I downloaded, he mentions that you need to have a 16-inch size 11 set of knit needles, and I thought it was about the length of the cord, and here I did some research, and here I was wrong, and then the measurement actually takes from the point of both tips laid flat. And I measured this morning with the cable I have on here, which was the shortest cable that came with the kit, and it turned out to be 25 inches. So I am over by 9 inches. No. This is where basic math comes in. Yeah, 9 inches. I'm right. Okay, I had to make sure I was right. I was thinking something else. Anyway, so there's that. So as a result, I had to compensate for that and add 30 extra stitches onto the needles, because in his pattern, and in his video, he says for chunky weighted yarn, you have to cast on 56 stitches, but I had to cast on 86, so I can get this so I can compensate for the extra 9 inches that I did not account for. So there is that. So I am proud of myself for achieving this moment so far, that I'm able to master the long tail cast on and master joining on the round to start off the initial row, and then I was able to complete the first row around, and it was kind of tighter around there, and I did some research, and they said that's normal when you first cast on, that it should loosen up as you progress with each round. So as soon as I get the brim done, I'll update y'all on that as well, just to show you my progress. So give myself a pat on the back for that. So then, as far as the other projects go, I did see a pattern for this cute stocking, Christmas stocking from another creator, and right now so it's going to be a red and white one, but so far I have the toe done and I'm working on the foot right now. And then as soon as I get the foot done, I got to do the heel and then work the rest of the way up. So I may show you when this is all done. And I am also, I've been bad about this and procrastinating that I need to get my husband's Christmas tree done. So I have to do that today. No matter what else is going on, I must commit myself to get this started so I can get it done for him. So that is that. So hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles. Grab some yarn and create something beautiful today. We gotta spread love and not hate. Gotta love each other, help each other out, be there for one another. Stay positive. Be true to yourself. And look after your mental health, because that is very important during this time of the year, or actually any time of the year, but especially during the winter time because of seasonal depression. And I kind of suffer from it every year, but not to the point where I have really bad thoughts. It's just I'm kind of like that. But I'm assuming everyone goes through that. It's because the cold kind of slows you down and makes you hibernate. So I'm trying to think what else I was going to say. The weather here is really cold. But tomorrow is supposed to be crappy weather, so I won't be making any videos tomorrow because my husband will be working from home because he has to drive about an hour from here to his job. So, and the roads there can be kind of crappy and slushy and slidey, and then you got crazy drivers out there who think they're invincible. So there's that. And then all the while I'll be working on this and then trying to juggle the stocking and the tree project. So there's that. I'm trying to think what else I wanted to say. And if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment if you wish. Spread the word, show me some love, and also yeah. So on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.